Welcome to Brain and Bucks, the channel where psychology meets business and personal growth. Before we dive in, remember, maybe you'll never see us again, so like this video and subscribe. It might just change your life. What if I told you that building a successful life has less to do with talent or luck, and more to do with tiny, invisible choices you make every single day? Let's talk about how to build a successful life, brick by brick. In 1971, a man named Jim Rohn was working long hours at a department store, broke and frustrated with his life. He met a mentor who told him one thing that changed everything. Don't wish it was easier. Wish you were better. That sentence lit a fire in him. Over the next few decades, Jim became one of the most respected business philosophers in the world, mentoring people like Tony Robbins. Why does this matter? Because Jim's life didn't change because of luck. It changed because he changed. The first step to building a successful life: a clear vision. Most people drift through life like a ship with no destination. They wake up, go to work, come home, and repeat, never stopping to ask, where am I going? Here's the truth. If you don't know what success looks like for you, you'll never know when you've reached it. Define your vision. Be specific. Don't just say, I want to be rich. Say, I want to earn $10,000 a month doing something I love while having time for my family and health. That clarity changes everything. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the engine. Anyone can feel motivated for a day. But building a successful life, that takes consistent, boring, unsexy discipline. Wake up early, read, work on your craft, track your habits, cut the distractions. This is the part nobody claps for, and it's where most people quit. But it's also the part that separates dreamers from achievers. Your environment will either build you or break you. Surround yourself with people who reflect the future you want, not the past you're trying to escape. If you're trying to grow but your friends are stuck, negative, and unambitious, you're fighting gravity. Jim Rohn, again, said it best. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Let's go deeper. The beliefs you hold, often unconscious, determine your ceiling. If you believe you're not good enough, too late, or not smart enough, you will subconsciously sabotage yourself. To build a successful life, you must rewrite your internal script, challenge limiting beliefs, replace them with empowering ones. I'm a constant learner. I deserve success. I can figure anything out. That's not delusion. That's reprogramming your mind for growth. The biggest killer of success: waiting for the perfect moment. Newsflash: it doesn't exist. Start now. Start messy. You'll learn faster by doing than by planning. Action creates clarity. It builds momentum. Successful people don't wait to feel ready. They act, adjust, and keep moving. A successful life isn't something you find. It's something you build. Vision, discipline, environment, psychology, action, brick by brick. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Thanks for watching. This is Brain and Bucks, where psychology meets business and personal growth. And remember, maybe you'll never see us again, so like this video and subscribe. Your future self will thank you.